Hello everyone, this is Sam from deep south of Orlando, and I thought that I would show you one last addition that I had ordered, which is this little bracket. This is the high lift jack mount. We're going to show you that right now. Stay tuned. It mounts right there on the side, two main bolts, one here, and the high lift jack then sits behind the tire against the tailgate. It's all very compact, really great quality. I'm sure you can see the weld right here and everything else. There you go. So assuming that you remember the tools that we used last time, I'm still going to show you. This is a 3/4 inch socket. I also have a 3/4 inch open ratchet and a 1/2 inch socket. So for this install, this will be really easy. We have 3/4 inch right here, and then we have 1/2 inch right here. Okay, so we're going to start by grabbing these and these. Once we remove these, we're going to put the main bracket right here. So once you have removed the two big lag bolts that go through the tire carrier and the two brackets, you want to take the high lift jack bracket and you want to put your two lag bolts, present them like this, one with a washer on either side. You want to grab the bracket and sort of insert the bolts right there at the same time through both of the bracket. You want to grab your washers, put them on the other side, and then put the 3/4 inch nuts and secure everything together. It is quite awkward because it is heavy and everything tends to move, but it does work. Okay, so once you have these two bolts right there, what you want to do is sort of bring them together and then finger tight everything together so it moves a little less. And finally, the third bolt, which is a 1/2 inch bolt right here, it will go right here at the bottom of that bracket.